Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's JD here again. We're going to try and get this small scale group build finished by the end of the month. Been kind of busy. Had about some kind of stomach bug. It was past Tuesday, didn't go to work, felt not really all that great for about 3-4 days. Today I feel pretty good, got my laundry done, and I'm hoping that I can finish this little guy up. I don't know how successful I'll be. If not this weekend, it'll be done by at least next weekend. That I'm sure of. Because all I got left is a little bit of minor body work to do. Got a couple more things to sand. I want to put another coat of primer on this. I'm going to mix up some Tamiya flat white for the interior. My light is... Oh, that's better. That's what's wrong. Mix up some Tamiya flat white here for the interior, the seats and the door panels. I'm going to spray the underside of the car, the front suspension, and the differential, some Tamiya semi-gloss black. I'm probably going to brush paint a few things. I got to paint the exhaust. I still have to put some primer on some of the chrome parts, or I'll paint them silver. I don't know which I'm going to do yet. And then paint the body. Hopefully get maybe the last two colors on the car, the green and the white on it, maybe tomorrow, and hopefully have it done. Again, don't know how successful I'll be at that, but we'll try. Be back later. And I'm back. I had a mostly successful painting session. Got some stuff done. Again, I'm still kind of learning the ropes of airbrushing. Let me find something to put behind this. Got the the lighting is terrible in here. The rear suspension, some Tamiya semi-gloss black. Got the front suspension done as well. Sorry about the light; it's terrible in here. I lost one of my lamps the other day. Decided it was going to fall on the floor and not stay clamped. I don't like clamped lights because I always seem to have issues when I move them that they fall over or disconnect themselves. But this is the back seat. I'm going to two-tone. I'm going to mask off the outside white trim, and I'm going to paint the center of the seat green. There's the front seat. These were painted with Tamiya flat white. Make sure I don't make a mess over here. I had a slight accident because I was going to paint my exhaust with some Tamiya. Oh God, you can't see it. Vallejo Model Air Chrome for the exhaust. I had a bottle of it, and you're not supposedly it's ready to brush or ready to spray. So I go to the bottles I have. Vallejo are really old. I bought them years ago when I first found out about Vallejo, and I'm squeezing and no paint's coming out, and I'm shaking it, and I can hear the paint inside of it. So, like an idiot, I gave it one good final hard squeeze, and it blew the little dropper cap out, and blew whatever was left. The paint didn't come out, thank God, but it blew whatever they use for a thinner, whatever, or bonding agent, or whatever that's in the bottle that's not paint. Blew it all over my spray booth, all over the inside of my all over my pant leg and what have you. But this, I'm going to see how it dries, because this I used as my airbrush per the Barbados Rex method. Is this little bottle of craft paint. This is supposed to be a flat. If it's not going to be a flat, well, then I will give it a coat of flat. I'm going to use this color on the seat because it pretty much matches this gloss. It's very close to this gloss that I'm going to use for the outside of the body. I'm going to probably do some detail painting because the engine is supposed to be blue. I think blue. Paint the transmission silver. I actually like the way that came out. It's still damp. Looks like there's been a little bit of runs or something. But so far, I'm hoping I can get this done tomorrow. I have the day off. I got a couple of errands to run, and hopefully I can get this done. I still have some body prep to do. I have to mask off. Oh, here's the ones that they didn't show. Where did I put them? Door panels. These look gray. I may not have thinned the Tamiya. I may have thinned the Tamiya too much. I may give this another shot. Because I believe the top parts of the doors, this little area here is supposed to be white, and the rest of the door panel is green, I believe. I have to check my notes. But so far, I'm getting along. Hopefully I can get it done by tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I mean, like I said, I have the whole day off. I have a couple things I have to do. And hopefully I will have this together by tomorrow night. Hopefully. Again, fingers crossed. But I hope everybody had a great weekend. We will talk to you next time or a little bit later. Maybe I'll have an update tomorrow. Definitely have some stuff, stash ads that I've got. I've got a couple of got a model, not a car model, another one of my figure kits that I ordered. So hope everybody had a great weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye bye.